Hey guys, Wayne here from Tech Made Easy. Today I want to show you how to reset your LG Phoenix 3 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do, swipe down from the top, pull down a little bit further and click on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. We're going to make sure we're on the general tab and go to accounts and sync. From here you're going to tap on the Google account and make sure you go to the three dots in the corner, tap there and hit remove account. If there's any other Google accounts, make sure you also remove those. Now we're going to go back and we're going to go all the way down to the back of the reset tab. The reason we removed the Google account before doing the backup is because once you factory reset the phone, if there's still a Google account on the phone, it will not allow you to sign into the phone once the phone has been reset unless you have the password of the last Google account that was on the phone. So by you erasing it first, it makes sure you don't have that issue when the next person tries to set up the phone. Hit factory data reset, hit reset phone, and delete all, and reset. At this point, the phone is going to erase all your information off of it. It's going to reset or restart a couple of times, and then you'll know the reset is complete when you get to the last screen that asks you to select the language. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thanks again for watching and have a good day.